Hello people, it is August 1st and August 1st and April 1st and every month that starts with an A, even though those are the only two ones, means it is time for VEDA. VEDA is an acronym for vlogging every day in either August or April. So I was actually kind of on the fence on whether I was going to participate this month. I got a lot going on. It's my birthday month, it's my blogiversary month, I'm going to blog her, so I was just like, I don't know. Also, I started a daily series on the channel myself, which is just Moments with Mrs. T, where I kind of pose a question to everybody. And I was like, I don't know, do I want to add something else to my list? But you know what, guys? I love VEDA. VEDA was like my very first introduction to vlogging on a daily basis and just sitting and chatting in quick form and getting to know people. So I couldn't resist. So that's it, folks. This is my announcement. I am officially taking part in VEDA, vlogging every day in August for 2016. I'm going to be using the SSS VEDA prompts, and today's prompt is introduce yourself. So, just really quickly, I am Tiffany, and I'm the T behind themrst.com, as well as the Mrs. T on YouTube. I talk about all things lifestyle and being a girl and being a nerd girl and a mom, a wife, a friend, all that lovely stuff. So stay tuned this month and check out what I'll be sharing with you guys, including the SSS VEDA prompts and probably in addition to them, because like I said, I have a lot going on this month, so you guys will be able to see me for VEDA plus all I'll be sharing outside of VEDA. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow for whatever tomorrow's prompt is, because I haven't checked, but I can't wait to share it with you guys either way. Talk to you then. Smooches.